Welcome. In this short video, we'll show you how to change an ink tank on the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF8400S. This procedure also applies to the imagePROGRAF iPF8400, 9400, and 9400S. When the ink tank is low or empty, you'll see a message like this on the user interface screen of the imagePROGRAF. We begin by preparing a new ink tank. Notice these instructions on the back side of the packaging. Whilst the ink tank is still in its packaging, rotate it 7 or 8 times just like this. Now remove the new ink tank from the packaging. There's a small tear tab to make it easy to remove the plastic bag. Ink tanks are available in either 700ml or 330ml for some colors. This is a 700ml ink tank. At the user interface of the imagePROGRAF, press OK and select Replace Ink Tank. Then you will see the message Open Ink Tank Cover. Lift the blue lever to remove the empty tank. Notice these 2 electrical contacts. These need to face away from you when you insert the new tank into the imagePROGRAF. Insert the new tank, moving the blue lever to its closed position. This indicator light will stop flashing when the new tank is installed correctly. Inside the tank cover, you will notice a diagram that describes the procedure. Now close the cover. All done. For other helpful information on the maintenance of your Canon imagePROGRAF large format printer, browse through our Canon USA YouTube channel or visit us at usa.canon.com.